Privacy. What is private information? We can first start off by saying private information is information that is connected to a specific person, such as an address or someone's phone number, a full name, someone's age, or their birthday. Who should you share private information with? You should only share private information with your parents, teachers, or someone you trust, such as grandparents, a trusted adult, anyone under that category. What to do if you are not sure? If you are not sure what to do with a website, you should first ask an adult to make sure the website is safe. And if there's not an adult around, you can close the computer or close the website and just take a break until you can find an adult. What is important to not share information? It's not important to share information with anybody because they can be used to trick you and be put in unsafe situations. Does this only apply online? This definitely does not only apply online because there are people in real life that will try to get your information, and you should still keep your private information to strangers. So if somebody's asking for your private information and you don't feel comfortable, you should just say no. Or if you're online, you can close your computer or find a trusted adult immediately for help.